and gave y'all any tips so far. As you can see, it's winter at where I'm at right now for party rentals. My child is in the back. Sorry for the yell, but I want to come on here and give you guys a couple of tips. Just give me a second. So the major tip that I wanted to come on here and share is marketing. Make sure you are the #1 marketer when it comes to your party rental equipment. Make sure you are dominating the game. Now hear me out. This is how my business actually blew up quicker than what I expected. And the trajectory for it is only going to go up. So I mastered the skill of marketing the bounce houses. It's an easy product to market because you got what everybody wants. It's just how you market is the thing. Now I can come on here and show you guys like a couple of tips on how I do my marketing, but the biggest tip to stay in the game is marketing. You gotta really run those ads. You gotta run those emails that retarget the email campaigns should be no more than what $15 to $20. But if you got over like 200 emails, you retargeting all those people. So the marketing is the name of the game. Marketing is the name of the game. I can come back on here and show you guys how I do it, but I just really want to keep encouraging you guys. Right now I'm on my way to do an order right now, but I just keep encouraging you guys that if you're just starting out your party rentals, it's okay. It's okay if you're not getting attention. You gotta join some Facebook groups. If that's not working, find your target audience, and that's not hard. It's a couple of hit or miss ads until you get one that pops. All right, guys. I'll see you guys soon.